Hello everyone, welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. I am Purvi Mishra, Mathematics faculty at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will be discussing about the angles in trigonometry. Trigonometry is basically the study of angles and how they can be used as an indirect measuring tool for places or for points where it is not possible to go physically and measure. The diagram here shows the system of XY axis on a plane. Both these axes divide the plane in 4 quadrants. Let us consider a ray with its end point lying on the origin of the XY plane. Let the ray rotate. Its distance from the positive x-axis is known as the angle of measurement, and the x-axis is known as the initial side, and the ray is known as the terminal side. If the ray rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, the angle is considered as positive, and if the ray rotates in the clockwise direction, the angle is considered to be negative. The degree of measurement is based on a circle. If the ray starts in the counterclockwise direction from the positive x-axis, completes a rotation and comes back to the original position, it makes an angle of 360 degree. Same way, if the rotation is half, the angle made by the ray is 180 degree. If the ray moves from the positive x-axis to the positive y-axis, the angle made by it is 90 degree, and so on. Next, we have the radian measurement. Let us consider a unit circle, that is a circle with radius 1 and its origin at the center. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi since value of radius is 1 as shown in the figure. Let us draw a ray from the center of the circle cutting the circumference at a point P. The portion of the circle from 1, 0 to point P is called an arc of the unit circle, and its length will be proportional to the circle's circumference. In the same way, the angles measure will be to 360 degree. A complete unit circle covers 360 degree and has a circumference of 2 pi. Therefore, we can relate these two facts as follows. 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi radians. On dividing both sides by 360, we get 1 degree is equals to 2 pi upon 360 radian, or pi upon 180 radian. Similarly, if we divide by 2 pi on both the sides, we get 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree. Therefore, we have two formulas. To convert from degree to radians, multiply the degree measure by pi by 180. To convert from radian to degree, multiply the radian measure by 180 by pi. Some of the very common angles are half circle, that is 180 degree, which is equal to pi radian. A quarter circle, that is equal to 90 degree or pi by 2 radians. Then we have 45 degree, also known as pi by 4 radian. Let us again consider the unit circle placed in such a way that its center coincide with the origin and a point P on the circumference of the circle. Let that ray make an angle theta with the positive x-axis. The cosine of theta, written as cos theta, is the x coordinate of P. The sine of theta, that is the y coordinate of P. The tangent of theta, written tan theta, is the slope of the ray. That was all for today. If you liked the video and found it helpful, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.